Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do chapter on Word. We will start by opening Word. You can see the available pages. Now in this example, we're going to place the cursor on page 3. Let's go to the Layout menu. There, we click on Breaks and then click on Next Page. After this, we place the cursor on page 5. Again, we click on Breaks and select Next Page. When you do, double-click on the header on page 3. Click on the Link to Previous button. There, we are going to enter the chapter number. In this case, it will be Chapter 2. You are going to go to the first page, and there you will enter Chapter 1. After that, on page 5, click Link to Previous. Then enter the chapter number, which will be Chapter 3. With this, you can see that each section will have its independent chapter number, and you will do this process according to the chapters you need. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.